your water can look crystal clear, yet still some things can get in your water that you never want to drink. When I tested my tap water, it met every single standard set by the EPA, which was set back in 1984. Today's 2025, long time ago, right? But yet today, now there's new toxins that are been found in our water supply, and there's other things that the government really didn't talk about, like chlorine, trihalomethylenes, forever chemicals. That's that movie Mark Ruffalo did called Dark Waters. Or you had Aaron Brockovich, who did the movie regarding hexavalent chromium-6, and that too is not on the old EPA standards. So basic filters like this, don't take that stuff out. We have to take a look at what we should do or what we might want to do in order to have a more healthy body. Getting those toxins out of my drinking water so that I'm more healthy, and my passion about making you and your family more healthy, that's why I choose an NSF 58 certified reverse osmosis system, which is designed to take out those toxins. And by the way, tested and approved to reduce all of those toxins we just listed: hexavalent chromium-6, forever chemicals, trihalomethylenes, lead, contaminants, all the contaminants that we really look at, the scary ones, are done with that NSF 58 certification. So whether it's lead or one of those other toxins, a high quality NSF 58 certified system is what I recommend to my friends, my family, and to, of course, all of you, because my passion is about living a long, wonderful life. And how do we do that, right? The only way we can do that, in my opinion, after selling pharmaceuticals and getting into the water business, is to flush our body with good, clean water, is to not have any toxins in the food we drink or the water, the food we eat or the water we drink, right? Two things that are really important for us, because whatever we consume becomes us. And certainly to me, it makes a lot of sense that when we're consuming something like this beautiful glass of water, it should be free of any toxins. Not the standard that the government set, but our own personal standard that we think we should be consuming, which to me just seems logical, that we get all the toxins out of the water. So that's the overall goal when I want to make recommendations to you and your family. Now that said, we don't make the products. I don't manufacture them. I just simply am a purveyor of the best equipment on the planet to help you become more healthy. Now along that line, if you find that this video is worthwhile because it's educated you a little bit, please share it. Send it to your friends and family so that they can learn more about how to make themselves more healthy with good, clean water and what it takes to make that happen. My name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.